Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Night, because I believe that cryptocurrency is the kryptonite of our modern financial system, and I love it. Guys, I have some amazing Bitcoin news, multiple adoption stories, as well as some other things to share with you, just to get you in the mindset, because at some point, guys, your mindset changes when it comes to investing, when it comes to trading. Your mindset has to change. You have to start thinking about when things dip as that's when you want to buy. You want to buy fear. You want to sell greed. And I'm going to show you exactly where we are at that meter. But first, let's hop into the charts. I'll show you how my live trade is doing and whether or not I think it will carry through to fruition. All right, we're here on the 4-hourly chart, and as you can see, my trade on the right is currently in the positive. I may have to bring it up a little bit. I have a feeling we might not come all the way down and reach our price target. Now, obviously, I got this price target because we had a bear flag. We had this downside here with this pennant type consolidation that's slowly going to the upside. That's a perfect bear flag. Again, I predicted that we were going to break down out of this triangle here. And I also predicted that we were going to break down out of this bear flag here. Both things have played out to fruition. I was able to get a short trade in right here and took it down, won that trade, and now I've taken a short trade right here and will hopefully win this trade. But potentially I might close it early. We'll see. Again, you're not always supposed to ever do that in trading. You kind of always want to let it run. So I'll probably end up just letting it run. However, it's just so hard because there is so much adoption happening with cryptocurrency that to think if it would go down at all anymore is just mind-boggling, but it still might, and that's okay because as you can see in the longer time frame, we are in this ascending channel. As you can see by the green lines, we're going up and down within this ascending channel, which is pretty standard. So we went up, we hit the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame, and now we're coming all the way back down. Sorry, I don't want to Instacart right now. And now we're coming all the way back down here. So we'll see if we fulfill this bear flag target. I will definitely be putting in buy orders down here around the $40,000 level. That's a big psychological level, and that's the bear flag target, and that's the ascending channel target as well. So major support. I'm going to have bids down here in case we get this low. As of now, as you can see, we've broken out of this bear flag. Now we're making a little W pattern, possibly coming back. But again, I'm going to hold my trade, and I think that we're still obviously lower highs and lower lows, meaning we are in a downtrend. And so until the trend is your friend until the end, so I'll be holding my trade because we will see. Yes, we came up, but we came up here, and this could be just yet another bear flag that is going to continue to break down further. But again, that shouldn't discourage you. Again, look at the long time frame. I'm going to hop on the daily here. Now, unfortunately, this isn't the full. Okay, yeah, unfortunately the history is a little bit, I have to go to a different chart to get the full history. But look at this uptrend we got going on here. Look at this, boom, boom, boom. Look at this. You got to think about the long term. Again, buy and hold Bitcoin, buy and hold Ethereum. Those are super safe options that you know are going to grow. So, but anyway, that's it for the charts. Let's hop into some of the news. All right, my boy Lark Davis always bringing the news here. Again, we have multiple things. Honduras announcing Bitcoin legal tender. We have the new futures ETF, and hopefully we can get an actual spot ETF one day and not these futures garbage. We know Robinhood is actually supporting Lightning, which is the layer that is built onto Bitcoin to make it faster. So Robinhood will support that. We also have Shopify, which I talked about in my last video, integrating Strike for Bitcoin payments, and then we have Portugal exempts Bitcoin from tax. So these are just a few. These are just a few of many adoption stories that are happening, guys. Crypto is the new thing. It's the technology. It's the new way of money. We are still early. We are still so early. Again, you can follow me on Twitter, Next Level Health and Crypto. I want to show you a couple of things just to help with your mindset, right? Because that's what again, the Fear Green Index down to 30. Buy fear. Accumulate during fear. Accumulate when Bitcoin is under the 200-day moving average. Let me show you. On the daily time frame here, we want to accumulate Bitcoin when we're under the 200 days, that orange line. Anytime we're under the 200, accumulate. And that's exactly what's happening here. As you can tell, we are in an accumulation phase. Accumulating. Now, the only downside here, the potential to put a nail in all this, is we do have this down pattern with this ascending channel, which could potentially be a bear flag. However, I will say that's not quite validated. Usually you don't see the consolidation periods be that long for a bear flag. That's almost as long as the trend itself. Usually they're much smaller in length for it to be an actual bear flag. So I don't really think that's super likely, and it just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't look right. So anytime you're on the 200, accumulate. Anytime during greed, accumulate. That is the mindset you need to have to make it in cryptocurrency. We need to hold for a minimum of 4 years. And here's another thing. Canada already has an ETF, and look at the holdings of Bitcoin growing and growing and growing. Okay, as soon as we get an ETF in America, it's game over. Bitcoin is going to absolutely go parabolic once we get an ETF in America. Guys, as always, I'm bringing you the TA on Bitcoin. I'm bringing you the news. I'm even in future episodes going to actually show you some really, fun cryptos that people have made, or even cryptos that I'm buying, or different ones. I really want to really be all things crypto on this channel, but again, more focused on the TA and the news with some fun crypto as well. Guys, as always, save your money, grow your money. Kryptonite.